Hey guys, this is Tim Verdouw. Thank you for checking out my Engagermate review. Today I'm going to show you what Engagermate is all about, why you should buy this software. I'm going to show you the software itself. I'm also going to show you the phone application that you get for free when you buy this during launch week. We're going to talk about my bonuses that I'm going to give away to anyone who decides to purchase Engagermate through my link. And we're going to talk about the upsells, which are not there because you're also going to get all the upsells as a bonus. So let's dive into this review. All right, so Engagermate, what is this software all about? Well, this software is an Instagram software that will do everything for you on autopilot. That means it will auto-like, it will auto-follow, it will auto-unfollow, it will send auto-messages to people, etc., 24/7 a day. Now, I can really vouch for this software. Like I said in the beginning, why you should buy this software. You should buy this software simply because it works. You're going to get a product that simply works. From day one that you implement this, it works for you. And that's pretty awesome. So let me show you one of my accounts. This is my Instagram account that I'm doing the exact same thing as with Engagermate. And as you can see here, I'm having 14.3 thousand followers on this specific account. And this account is growing on autopilot. It's liking messages on autopilot. It's following, unfollowing people on autopilot. And even better than that, it's building my list for free on autopilot, and this account is making me sales on autopilot. Now, one of my bonuses is a training that I'm going to show you exactly how I do that, but we're going to dive into bonuses within a second. First, I want to show you another account of me that I'm doing the exact same thing. As you can see, this is a Dutch account, but I have 10.9 thousand followers on this specific account. Now, maybe you're wondering, how is that possible? How can you get so many followers? And I think that when you start using this and you are using this a few months, you can get between 1,000 and 2,000 followers a month on autopilot with the software like Engagermate. Now, before we dive into this review, I want to show you the bonuses that I'm going to give away to anyone who decides to purchase Engagermate through my link. And like I said, the first bonus that I'm going to give away is how to explode your Instagram business. I'm going to show you in this training, by the way, nobody else is giving this training, and this is a specific training where I'm going to show you a sneaky tactic, a sneaky strategy that I'm using to build my list and to make sales, to grow my Instagram account, etc. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that too. I mean, you can have an Instagram account, you can have many followers, but if you don't know how to make sales, etc., it's definitely useless. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to grow your Instagram business, how to build your list and make sales with Instagram. And like I said before, nobody else will show you this. My second bonus that I'm going to give away is my secret Instagram hack. This is the second hack that I'm using, which will cost you 5 minutes to set up, but it will instantly bring you more traffic to your website and offers. So that's also definitely something that you want to have. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to give you 2 months done for you Instagram posts. The exact same post that I've used on this account without watermark. So when you see this account, it looks very slick. All these posts, you can see those. You will get access to those posts. You can download them from me and you can use them to build your own Instagram following. Now, when you start with Instagram, you have no posts. You want to post each day to Instagram to build your feed and also to build your following. So you definitely need posts. So I'm going to give away all these posts to you for 2 months. Now, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to give you the exact same template that I'm using to create these posts, plus 3 months extra quotes and sources that you can use for images that you can use with your Instagram posts. So that after 2 months, you still have 3 extra months to post on Instagram. This is done by Canva, by the way. which is a free tool that you can use to create your Instagram post. What I'm also going to give away is the best times to post on Instagram based on your account. So what you're going to get is details from your account. So this is not something that somebody else made up, like, hey, on Thursday is the best day to post, or on Wednesdays or on Saturdays is the best days to post. I mean, the best time to post depends on your account, and this tool will exactly tell you based on your account, on your followers, when the most followers are online and what the best time will be to post to Instagram. Another bonus that you're going to get is hashtags for Instagram. Hashtags, when you have the right hashtags, you will get even more eyeballs to your post because people search for hashtags. This hashtag generator will show you exactly based on one hashtag. For example, if you type in affiliate marketing, it will create 10, 20 other hashtags that you can use based on that specific word, affiliate marketing. And it will also filter out banny and spammed hashtags that will hurt your rankings. Another bonus that I'm going to give away is InstaFeed for WordPress, which will install the Instagram feed on your own WordPress website. And I'm going to give away 6 top performing done for you marketing campaigns that you can use to monetize your Instagram account. Now, I have even more bonuses on this page. There will be more bonuses added to this page. Like you see right here, we're not going over all these bonuses, but I wanted to mention these bonuses. And if you want to check out the bonuses yourself, you can go below this video. There's a link to this page where you can check out the bonuses yourself if you decide to purchase through my link. So that's what the bonuses are, but now let's dive into the software. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you the iPhone application, because when you get Engagermate, you will first get the iPhone or the Android application that you can use. Let me show it. This is what you will get. This is what you will download. And when you have got your login details, you can log in into this screen. Now, first I need to get my password in here. So 1 second. I'm going to copy my password. And I'm going to log into the app so that you can see exactly what you need to do and how it works. When you install this application, because this is what you're going to do before or when you got your login details. So right now it's logging in to my account, and now I can configure everything in this application. Now it says tap to continue, 3 easy steps, step 1, 2, 3, and here I can link my Instagram account. So let me link my Instagram account. This is my private Instagram account, and let me log in. Right now it's logging in to ask me a few questions. Well, right now it's not asking me questions, unfortunately, so I cannot show you how that works. But basically how it works is it takes you through a menu and it will ask you if you want to follow business accounts, yes or no. It will ask you which users you want to follow or uses from users. So let me open my account. Maybe it's in here so I can show you that. As you can see, here are some statistics. So right now, since I've installed this application, it has already done 58 follows and it's starting out slowly. Now, let me get to the menu so that you can see exactly what is in this application. So first of all, you have the settings where you can configure everything. So the basic function like medias, follow profiles. You can also unfollow profiles when you select this. As you can see here, you see it only works one way. You can or follow or unfollow people. So when you have a lot of follows, you need to unfollow people again, and you can send messages right in this application. As you can see, you got all the options that you will have also with the desktop application. So this is the settings. Here you can see the profiles. As you can see, these are the profiles that I've configured. So I said you need to follow the followers from Alex Becker, from Chris Record, from Dan Locke, from Grant Cardone, from Sam Ovens, from Ty Lopez. All these people are into the make money online. So that's my niche, and it will start following those people. And when people see that you follow them, they will automatically follow you back. So that's the profiles. You also can follow places. So if you want to have targeted people from New York, for example, you can put off or set off all the other options and say, okay, I want to add the place New York, for example. And then you add that to this list and it will automatically start following people from New York, and those people will follow you back. Now, the same thing is with hashtags. You can also configure hashtags. So you can type your hashtag, you do this, and you say, for example, affiliate marketing. What that does is it will start following all the people that are also using these tags. So it's very targeted. You will get targeted followers on Instagram, and it will also send direct messages. So basically what this iPhone application does, and there's an optimizer, we're going to talk about that later. It's also giving you reports, how many people you have liked, how many people follows, how many people unfollow, etc. Everything is in this iPhone application. Now let's switch back to my desktop application and let me show you the software itself so that you can see how it works in here. So this is the desktop application. Once you have installed the software application or the iPhone or Android application, you will get access also to the online portal. And as you can see here, my account is linked in here, and it's automatically running. As you can see here, it's already auto liking, already auto following people. And like I said, you can also select unfollow and then follow will stop. And here you will get the whole summary of your accounts. So you can see exactly how many likes, how many follows and unfollows you have done. And that's all in the dashboard. Now you have the settings. That's actually the same. Oh, I need to log in again. 1 second, please. Success. Okay. So also you have the advanced, the settings in here, sorry. And that's the exact same thing that I just showed you in the iPhone application. So here you can, for example, just type in, I don't know, Jenny, but you can type in here and it will automatically come with suggestions from specific people. And then you can add them to automatically follow the people from those people. And what that does is it will grow your Instagram. It will go to, thousands a month at the end that will be added to your Instagram profile. Now you got also advanced settings in here where you can say, oh, do not unfollow these users. So if you have specific users that you don't want to unfollow, you can put them in here, or you can tell not to interact with specific users. And here you got the direct message option. Now this is also pretty cool where you can send direct messages to anyone who started to following you. So you can say, hey, thank you for following me. Hope to see more of your posts, blah, blah, blah. You can save these messages and it will send out these messages to the people that started to following you. Now, here is a very cool option that nobody else is offering, which is called the hashtag option, or account or place. You can search exactly when you put a date in here. Now, I just connected this account, but if you run this for a month or 2 months, you can, for example, take those 2 months and then this software will automatically show you the results from these hashtags. So it's going to show you, for example, how many people did I start following for Instagram, the hashtag Instagram, and how many people follow me back from that specific hashtag. Now, if that is a good result, I'm going to stick with that hashtag. But if I, for example, send out 200 invites and only 2 people follow me back, I'm going to delete that hashtag in my settings because I see it's not converting. So this is a really, really, really good option, a really good feature within Engagermate that shows you exactly how to get the most engagement with Engagermate. It's really awesome. I haven't seen it before, and this is really awesome. That works the same for account. Which accounts you are following, you can see exactly the results that you got from following Sam Ovens, for example. If that does not convert back, you start following other influencers. So this is a very cool option. Now here also you got the reports and statistics. So as you can see here, you can see exactly who I started following. So here you can see Grant Cardone. Let me zoom in. Here you can see because of I followed this user from Grant Cardone, it's it's followed these users and Chris Record and here Grant Cardone. So you can see exactly who I started following and unfollowing, etc. Here you see your Instagram accounts. So here you can also link. It says 1 remaining. I'm not sure right now how many Instagram accounts are included with this product, but you don't need many. Actually, first you want to grow 1 account, and you can grow more accounts if you want, of course. But just start with 1 to get that up and running, and then you can start your second. And that's what this product is all about. Now, maybe you're asking, okay, what are the upsells? Well, there are no upsells in Engagermate. If you buy this during launch week, you're going to get this as a bonus. Some people say, hey, you're going to get that as a bonus from me when you buy through me. That's simply not true. There are simply no upsells within Engagermate. So like you're seeing right here, let me see where it is on the sales page, all upsells included. So this is on the sales page, and that's because you're in launch week. In launch week, you're going to get all these options for free, as normally you would pay for these options as an upsell. So the first one is direct messaging and welcome message feature. Normally this would not be included, but you're going to get this during launch week. You're going to get this for free as a bonus. The second thing is artificial intelligent learning. That's what I just told you about, the learning feature that's going to show you exactly which people followed you back, etc. Live growth notifications. So you're going to get this. You're also going to get the mobile app integration. That's the app that I just showed you. You're going to get that for free. So you can also do everything with your iPhone. You don't even need to log in with your computer to start using this software. You're also going to get access to the Facebook group, and you're going to get the Facebook font changer, which will allow you to use different fonts on Facebook. It's pretty cool. I've also done a review in the past of a similar product, which gives pretty cool fonts on Facebook that really stands out. So there's no upsells during launch week. You're also going to get some extra bonuses like you're seeing right here. And right now, if I'm correctly, this said $67, but right now during launch week, it's $47. Instead of $67. So this is only during launch week. It will go back to the 67. So make sure if you want to grab Engagermate that you do that right now during launch week. And again, if you grab it through my link below this video, you will also get all these extra bonuses. I'm going to show you how you can grow your Instagram account and how you can build your list and monetize it on autopilot and all the other bonuses. So make sure you check out the link below this video. And if you have any questions, also make sure to put them in the comments below. And that is what my review, this is my review about Engagermate. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, again, make sure you ask them in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching this Engagermate review. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.